Hello everyone. Let us look at for the question here. A cyclotron is used to accelerate proton, deuteron, alpha particle, etc. If the energy attained after acceleration by the proton is E, so the energy acquired by the proton is E. The energy attained by the alpha particle shall be, then we have to find the energy acquired by the alpha particles. So what are protons and what are alpha particles? Protons and the alpha particles are consist of different charges and different masses. They have different charge and different mass. These are the only relation between these two things. So when you talk about the energy attained by them, okay, so we are also going to relate with the energy also. So for that we can able to use the dimensional analysis to find these things. That is energy E is equal to relation with charge q, charge q, that is coulomb, you will be saying as coulomb, and mass, direct directly proportional. Using dimension analysis you can able to find the formula also, or you can able to use this formula. That is nothing but, so I will be writing this formula. Yes, what is the kinetic energy formula of mv square? mv square. So when a charge is going to be attain a circular motion in a, yes, in a magnetic field, so the velocity will be written as the centripetal force mv square by r, the radius that attained by the circular motion, the radius of the circular motion of the charge q, and the force, this is Lorentz force qvb. Okay, okay. So this square and this v is going to get cancelled. Now v is equal to, you can able to find that q b by m times here r m, here r will be written as like this. Okay, when you substitute this v value here, you will be getting k, that is kinetic energy, is equal to 1 by 2, that is half mass m. So v square can be written as q square b square, r is the radius r square by m square mass. Okay, now so mass m and the square get cancelled. Finally it is equal to q square b square r square by 2 times m is going to be the energy, kinetic energy. This is a relation between energy, charge and mass. So if b square said to be constant, the radius said to be constant, 2 is almost already constant, then the remaining is going to be, so energy, kinetic energy is also energy, right? Energy is directly proportional to the square of the charge and inversely proportional to the mass of that particle. This is the relation. So using this we can able to find the answer for this question. To know about the alpha particles and the proton, so this is proton can be represented as p, and alpha particles represent as alpha pib particles, pr part alpha particles. Okay, so the charge present in the proton is almost equal to the charge present in the electron. So helium can, sorry, alpha particle can be represented as, alpha particles as can be represented as helium lost 2 electrons. So atomic number of helium is 2, that is number of proton or number of electron present in the helium is 2, and the mass, atomic mass will be 4. So from this you can able to understand that the charge present in the proton is numerically equal to the charge present in the electron. Now alpha particles, the charge present here is 2 proton. Yes, 2 electron is, yes, is lost by this helium, so the remaining is 2 proton. So we know that proton, the charge of proton is almost equal to the electron, so we can able to write as 2e itself. Okay, I will be writing this right. Okay, then the mass of proton, yes, the mass of proton here 4 mu, mass of proton is 1 mu and the mass of alpha particles is 4 mu. So 4 mu, then 4 times it is going to be greater than the mass of the proton. So these are the relations between these two things. Using this you can able to find the energy acquired by the alpha particle. So using this relation, so E, energy attained by the proton is given as E by the energy acquired by the alpha particles can be taken as x. We have to find this x value is equal to, charge is directly proportional, right? So proton E square 2e square multiples of mass is inversely proportional. So energy acquired by the proton I will be writing as alpha particles. Okay, proton, now alpha particles should become in the numerator since it is inversely proportional. So mass of alpha particles is 4m by the mass of proton is m. By solving this in the next page we can able to find the answer for this. Yes, in this page we can able to find the answer. So simplifying this equation you can able to get this as, so energy of proton by the energy acquired by the alpha particles is equal to e square by, yes, here the 4 will become e square multiples, okay, multiples of 4m by m. So we are going to cancel this, which are can be cancelled, e square can be cancelled, e square can be cancelled, m cancelled, 4 cancelled, so it's equal to 1 by 1. So now the energy acquired by the alpha particles is equal to the energy acquired by the proton is equal to, the given question is energy acquired by the proton is said to be E, then the final answer for this question is also going to be E, that is option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.